Let's talk about Coda's hierarchy, because Coda uses similar language to other tools, but understanding how we're organized will help keep your data and docs secure. Workspaces. This is where you land when you log in. It's your company or your team's home base, where you can find all of your docs and the docs that you have access to. Inside each workspace, you have folders. Some may be just for you, like My Docs, and some might be shared with just one specific team, or there might be folders that are shared across an entire workspace. Folders are a way for you to group similar docs or for similar audiences together. And inside each of those folders are the actual docs, because all docs live inside of folders. Docs are the heartbeat of your work in Coda. Every project, process, or big idea starts with a doc. Inside those docs, you add pages, which are more like sections or tabs in the doc, where you can have text, tables, buttons, and more. When you share a doc, your collaborators can see every page and subpage inside of it. So how do you decide whether to create a new doc or add a page to an existing doc? Consider the audience. One audience equals one doc. So if it's a different team, or if you only want to share part of your work, create a new doc. Because again, sharing is going to share the entire doc, all of those pages, all of those subpages. You should use a new doc when you're working with a new audience, when you want separate permissions, you're starting a new project or a new workflow. But what about pages and subpages? When should you go that route? So pages live inside of a doc, and pages are perfect when your audience is consistent or you want to nest or organize related information. If you're just expanding an existing workflow, if it's the same team, same topic, same goals, add a page. All right, to wrap up, your workspace, it holds all of your docs where you can see everything that you have access to or the things that you've created if you're a maker. Each doc is a home for one audience or one topic. Pages help you stay organized inside a doc. And remember, when you share a doc, you're sharing everything inside of it.